Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can extract audio from video on CapCut Browser. And before I start, this is the one that's on the website and not on the app, so before I start any confusion, this one's on like the website. As you can see here, it's different. So open up a video and just add it to the timeline like so. Right click and select extract audio, and that's it. You can adjust the volume here. You can add in a fade in and a fade out duration here too. And you can also enable noise reduction to the audio and add in some voice effects too. And you can even adjust the speed of the audio. But that is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!